Mini 3 Pro has arrived.
Yay!
We're currently at our park up, but we have our drone.
So we got it this morning. Been trying to set it up for 3 hours.
It's
4 hours.
It's like 4 or 5 hours. The controller needed to be updated, which we didn't do, so we had to get the old drone and update it like that and do all that kind of palaver.
Which we didn't know right until like half an hour ago. We even contacted DJI because we thought there was something wrong with it. That didn't even work anyway.
It just turns out we're completely stupid when it comes to technology.
Yes, the only way to update the remote was by using the old drone, so thankfully we still had the old drone.
That's it from us today. We love this park up. We're gonna get ready to go for a walk. We're gonna go to the castle. It's like a broken down castle. Go get the bag of many gadgets and gizmos.
We need to put all of our equipment in the bag.
I think everything's in there, you know. Batteries charged, they go in the drone bag.
Batteries and drone remote.
Put it in there, put it in the bin. We've not decided whether we're staying here or moving.
I am Brew, getting ready for Scotland. Equipment is ready.
We just reached 10,000 followers on TikTok. So
Yay!
we're really happy and proud of what we've achieved in 9 months.
So we're gonna go for the walk now.
This is a 4.2 mile walk, so it's like a miniaturized hike.
It's going to take us an hour and a half to get there, and then an hour and a half to get back.
We're going to be knackered after this. Lucy was saying it's a good job we got 3 packs of the cheese leaking hard pasta. So our first 2 Bs today.
Yeah, big huge ones as well.
Eventful.
So we're going to be starving after this hike.
Weather is so confusing. One minute it's cloudy, and next minute it's raining, then the next minute it's really windy and raining, the next minute the sun's shining. It needs to make its freaking mind up. Our fat asses need to do this more often.
Dave was just doing an impression of me walking. I'm gonna show you. Someone said help. How awesome was that? It's huge. It looks like someone's made it out of like wood and metal and rope and stuff. It looks really cool. There we go. I've got my little bench. It hurts my bum. Sitting. Oh, that's better.
Wheels, smells.
Like it's all handmade. It looks really good. It's old ruins of a castle.
Made in the 1600s. It's
old but awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm not really into this, but it's cool. I like it.
Yeah, a bit of history. It's amazing, isn't it? There is a building over there, right in the middle of the screen. We're going to go in there and see if we can get to the top.
Sounds like there's a duck.
Oh, it's up there. We got kicked out.
Not properly though.
No,
they were
they-
locking up because it was time for him to close.
That was a very nice dude, to be honest. He was just like, what are you doing up there? I was like, well, we're just taking some pictures and stuff. And he was like, well, I'm locking up now, so we need to leave. There's an hour and a lie thing here as well, so we're going to have a look at that now.
If we could figure out how to get to it, that is.
To road. Or you can go that way.
We're going to head back now, back to the van, so we can have tea and chill out after the really, really long walk. So we've still got the long walk back, but we're going to start heading back now.
Been a good outing, to be fair. As we were leaving, the dude who closed up was telling us they light it up, all kinds of colours like pink and blue and stuff. But he said it's really good at night.
He said tonight it's going to be lit up in blue and green for some kind of special occasion, but he didn't know what for.
Yeah.
So apparently it's like different colours for each special occasion, I guess.
It's a shame that we can't get no drone footage of it at night. That would be really good, but
Yeah, that would be really cool.
we've still got like an hour and 45-minute walk back now. Maybe another time. You never know. We might come back.
I think we will.
Lucy just asked me a question. She went, "How's your legs?" I was like,
I said, how are your legs feeling?
"Yeah," and I was like, "My legs are fine." And she's like, "Go on, say what you just said."
Mine feel numb, and they're like dead. They hurt.
I guess hurling all that weight about though.
I really need to start doing more exercise. It's quite bad.
We will, don't worry.
I'm forcing myself to do it now though, so this should help.
I'm proud of you, baby cake.
Thank you. I'm proud of myself too, actually, because it's actually quite a long walk. So far on my watch, it says I've done 111 minutes of exercise so far today.
Let's go.